Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here learning is easy and exciting, so don't forget to share, subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin with our question number 1 of worksheet 3. This is our question number 1 of worksheet 3. Find the square root of each of the following by prime factorization method. In this question we have to find the square root but by prime factorization method. Our first part is 225. So let's start the question, but before that you should know about the prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Example 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on are the example of prime factors. In simply means here prime number is 3 means simply that 3 is the number which is only divided by number 1 and itself. Now let's start our prime factorization of 225. Answer. The first prime number is 2, but the last of the digit here is 5 and 5 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So move to the next prime number, that is 3. Now let's add the digit. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and here sum of these digits is equal to 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. This is the divisibility rule of 3. So here 225 is divisible by 3. Prime number 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 fives are 15. Now again add these digits. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Again 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. Here 25 is divisible by, at the end here this is 5 and at the last digit, and 5 is divisible by 5. 5 fives are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Here 1 is our remainder. Now we have to find the square root of 225. Here this is the square root. This is a symbol of square root. I write here 225 and again square root here. I write these numbers here. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 3 multiply by 3, here two numbers are 3, so this is a pair. Here 5 multiply by 5, this is also a pair, is equal to, so from pair I write here only one digit. 3 multiply by, again I have write only one digit from this. 5 is equal to 3 fives are 15. Hence 15 is the square root of 225. This is our answer. Now our second part is 441 and this is also similar to the first part. In this also we have to find the square root by prime factorization method of 441. So let's do. Answer. Here at the end of 441, this is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Then move to the next number, that is 3. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Here I write 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12 and 3 sevens are 21. Again 7 plus 1 8 and 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 is divisible by 3. 3 fours are 12. Here I write 2. 3 nines are 27. 49 is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Here I have write 441 in the square root. This is a symbol of square root. Again I write here square root. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 7 is equal to, this is a pair, this is also a pair. 7 multiply by 7, here 2 sevens are here, so this is called a pair. 3 multiply by 3, here 2 digits are here, so this is also a pair. I write only one digit from this. 3 multiply by 7 is equal to 21. So here 21 is the square root of 441. This is the solution of this question. In this question of worksheet 3, question number 1, this have 8 parts, but we solve only 2 parts because they are sufficient for understanding and all parts are similar to these 2 one. That's all in today's video.